Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today let us see how we can do this rhythmic slow motion painting. This I have named it as a rhythmic slow motion painting because here we feel the presence of the paint sliding on a paper or a canvas. Here the rhythmic slow motion painting is a powerful therapeutic tool because it focuses on the smooth glide and crisscross play rather than a perfect final picture. It removes the pressure to be right and replaces it with joy of being present. The act of holding a card and pushing a little paint creates resistance against the paper. We apply deep pressure and the steady slow motion glide provides calming sensory input to the joints of the hand, wrist and the shoulder. The repetitive rhythmic nature of the motion can help a child self-regulate, reducing anxiety over stimulation. Unlike finger painting, which can be messy and unstructured, using a card requires a specific grip and controlled pressure. Holding the card steady helps develop the pincer and the tripod muscles used for writing. Learning to smoothly glide teaches the child how to start and stop at a movement with intentions. The crisscross element is a sophisticated cognitive task disguised as play. Moving the card from one side of the paper to the other encourages the left and right sides of the brain to communicate. Deciding where to cross the next line helps the child understand layers, depth, and how objects intersect in space. Following the steps of the rhythmic slow motion method builds brain muscles for sequencing. For children who may struggle with traditional drawing like making a perfect house or a person or a flower, this abstract method offers 100% success, and it builds interest that even they can do art. Using these bright acrylics on a black paper provides an immediate high impact visual feedback to the students. The students chooses the path and the rhythm, giving them a sense of mastery and agency over their environment here. If this video was helpful, please do consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button, as it will support us to do more of this informative videos for others. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.